Hello students, in this lecture we are going to discuss the remaining devices which are used in sewage system or in plumbing system. This is Cleanout. Clogged sewer lines are a serious problem in any property. The clog can make it impossible for our plumbing fixtures to function properly until we clear it. So, we can remove the clog using a plumber's snake, sewer line auger or water jet. Whichever means we will use, we will need to get a sewer unclogging tool into the main sewer line. This is why sewer cleanouts are necessary. So, basically a sewer line cleanout refers to a threaded cap or plug that fits on the sweep of the main sewer pipe, and it offers an access route for unclogging a sewer line. Some branch drains come with such fittings to make it possible to remove clogs from smaller drain pipes. So, a drain cleanout provides access to main sewer line and is located outside of home, in front or backyard. Cleanouts typically go unnoticed until there is a problem. They look like capped pipes sticking a few inches above the ground. Already I have told about it. Cleanouts are the devices meant for cleaning the sewers. These are generally provided at the upper ends of lateral sewers in place of manholes. A cleanout consists of an inclined pipe, one end of which is connected to the underground sewer and the other end brought up to the ground level. A cover is provided at the top end of the cleanout pipe at the ground level. So, for cleaning the sewer, the cover of the cleanout pipe is removed and water is forced through the cleanout pipe to the sewer to remove the obstacles in the sewer or the blockages in the sewer. If obstructions are large enough, flexible rod may be inserted through the cleanout pipe and pushed backward and forward to remove such obstacles in the sewer. Otherwise, the sewer or the sewerage cannot be flowed through this sewer pipe. So, we have to clean it, the obstacles or the blockages which are present within the sewer pipe. So, basically sewer cleanouts are required when the sewer pipe leading to the septic system or municipal sewer pipes is clogged. Sewer cleanout fittings offer an access point through which the snake or auger is inserted perpendicular to the flow of the main sewer line for the cleaning purposes. The number 5, street inlets, which is also called gullies. Inlets are the devices meant to admit stormwater or rainwater and surface wash flowing along the roads or streets and convey the same to stormwater sewers or combined sewers. An inlet is a small box-like chamber made of brickwork or concrete, having an opening at the top in vertical or horizontal direction for the entry of stormwater or rainwater and surface wash or surface water. The water from this chamber leaves through an outlet provided at its bottom and is carried by a pipeline to a nearby manhole. So, these are the figures of some inlets which are provided in the street. So, basically street inlets are openings provided along the street for the surface water to be admitted to the underground sewers. Usually they are constructed on channels in curve and channel gutters. Many types of street inlets are in use in sewage system. The planning for proper location of street inlets is very much important. before laying of any inlets in the street. So first thing is to focus on the location where we have to put these street inlets. As far as practical, the inlets should be so located that no water should flow across the street or footpath in order to reach the sewer. So inlets should be at sufficiently frequent intervals so that the gutters are not overloaded. Both vertical or horizontal inlets are used. So inlets are of three types basically: curve inlets, gutter inlets, combination inlets. So first one, curve inlet. Curve inlets, also called vertical inlets, have vertical openings in the road curves through which stormwater can flow, also the surface water can flow through it to the nearest manhole. The openings are provided with gratings of closely placed bars. These inlets are preferred where heavy traffic is anticipated. This is the figure of a curve inlet. The curve inlets are termed as deflector inlets when equipped with diagonal notches cast into the gutter along the curve opening to form a series of ridges or deflectors. The number 2, gutter inlets. Gutter inlets, also called horizontal inlets, as shown in this figure. It has horizontal openings in the gutter which are covered by gratings through which stormwater can flow. The clear opening between the bars of the gratings should not be more than 25 mm. This spacing is not more than 25 mm and the gratings should be capable of sustaining heavy traffic load. Then third one, combination inlet. So combination inlets are composed of a curve and gutter inlet acting as a single unit. So it is a combination of the gutter inlet and the curve inlet. So its name is combination inlet. Normally the gutter inlet is placed right in front of the curve inlet, but it may be displaced in an overlapping or end-to-end position. So each of the above noted three types of inlets may be either under-depressed or depressed depending upon their elevation with reference to the pavement surface. Also, the uses of different inlets is used as per the requirements. The depressed inlets may, however, result in some interference with traffic. The inlets are usually located by the side of the roads as shown in this figure. It is provided in the side of the roads. Maximum spacing of inlets depends on conditions of road surface, size and type of inlet and rainfall. So a maximum spacing of 30 meter may be adopted for locating the inlets. Then number 6, another device is catch basins or catch pit. A catch basin or catch pit is a device meant for the retention of heavy debris in stormwater which otherwise should be carried into the sewer. So these are basically used to retain or to hold the different debris or silt like particles. Otherwise, if we cannot hold this one, they can block or they can create obstacle in the sewerage system or in the sewer line. It is an inlet with its outlet being placed well above its bottom so that heavy debris such as grit, sand, etc. flowing along with stormwater is allowed to settle down and thus prevented from entering the sewer. So the catch basin is also used as an inlet with a basin for the purpose of collecting different types of silt, also sand, also grit. The outlet pipe is usually trapped so that there should be water sealing effect. This is particularly useful in combined sewer. and this will prevent escape of odors from sewers. So after the use for a certain period, the basin gets filled up with the different particles like sand, grit or silt and needed to be cleaned. So the principles and working of street inlets and catch basins are always play a vital role in plumbing system. So cleaning is done by lifting the grating and removing the silt by machine, or we can clean it manually in a regular interval. The outlet from the basin is provided with a hood, or it is strapped to prevent escape of foul gases from the sewer and to retain the different floating matters. At the bottom of the basin, space is provided for the accumulation of the settled matter. After that, the sewer or the sewage can easily pass or flow through the sewer line. For this lecture this much. We will continue this in next lecture with some another devices which are used in sewage system. Thank you.